So hi, hello everyone. We are coming back something which very advanced layer haircut, which is called existing part, with again with adding more layers, which is called ultimately bokeh removed the haircut. This is simple steps up to the techniques up to the sections, and haircut also prettiest easy. It is similarly concave layers you can just see in the haircut. Now we're just taking with a big horseshoe section. Now we're just separating the partitions. In this haircut is very three sections will be there for it, and rest of the hair you can just see the step by step in parallelly how will we take to the sections and how we'll elevate with the layers and all. One section is divided and another section it is going to be take now. Only three sections are majorly we just take in this haircut, and from the back we directly start by after that one length basic haircut itself. So no need to go for extra too much after the sectioning in this haircut. It's very pretty much easy to understand in these haircuts. Another side we just take one more section. And previous haircuts was giving to the good supports. I'm really thankful you guys, and yes, I'm really happy in that cases. And just I try my best to be present in that every times to be bring a models for haircuts, so according to the requirements. Now we came back to the back portions. We just give to the one length basic haircut. Now you can just see just 1.5 inch we just going to be cut to the one length basic, and top of that we just going to be adding the layers which is called come like bokeh haircut, which is absolutely elevating up to the 135-degree, and rest of the hair it will be going to be trim, and this very few existing hair it is going to be reduced. Just I'm taking parallel section through, I'm showing with the combing through as well. You can just see now we started to the center profile section. I just took and lifting up to the exactly so it is in that easy to the haircut and distributing to the sectioning, and divided the guidelines also. The previous guideline I'm just taking as a parallel section, and rest of the hair going to be adding the layering in the same part. And one more section I'm going to take. So consistently you can just take thin section and add layers. It will, the guideline also it will visible clean and neat, and your layers also comes out very well and looks so uniform as well too. And last more section we just took, and going to be add the layers. See that easy the haircut which we add, just we check the now we came back to another side, and rest of the hair going to be cut. So according to the guideline and sectioning basis, I need to be keep on moving my dummy for towards to the direction purpose. I need to show you guys very clearly where I'm going to be cut the hair and where is my guideline. See that easy to cut the hair, and rest of the hair elevating, and just balance hair it will be dropped on, and we just cross checking even now, and just we come back to another side. At the side section slightly we'll just take to the vertically diagonal. Just take to one length also. Now going to be add the layers. Now I pick the stationary guideline, then I just take the rest of the hair. I'm just checking it. Here is my guideline. I'm just going to rest of the hair, going chop. Please comment below after watching this full video how it is, the way we want to be improve the skills, and what we did it, any of changes. let me know with comments below. I'll update and improve myself. And just I'm trying to bring in front of you with the new videos which are upcoming, like different types of the haircuts. In 2023 it will go into hand, so I need to add something very good layers and just creating model haircuts in that cases. So bringing up to the new videos in front of you, I'm just getting support very good, all of you. I'm really thank you so much for you guys. So another side we just came and just the same thing and picking up to the stationary guideline, and rest of the hair going to be trim. And this time we're standing in front of the dummy and just back up the like nape area is standing, and rest of the hair going to be cut. Now we came to with a horseshoe crown section. We're just going to be add fringes on top of that. We take to the front up to the stationary guideline, and rest of the hair going to be add in fringes. So my cut is going to be almost finished, and few more sections are left in the fringes. The rest of the got chopped. So that easy the haircut, it gone finished. And this fresher beginners also is very much easy to learn this haircut. So my cut is almost finished. I'm shaking up to the natural layers. You can see from the back as well. Now we're just doing messy blow dry. So almost is going to be finished. Please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm every time bringing with a new updated video with a creative haircuts and short haircuts also. I hope you guys all are enjoyed this video. We'll be meet up to the next video. Any comments, please let me know. The comments below, I'll definitely update with you all the doubts and clarify all the questions as well, so you can just seeing my final delivery after the haircut. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care.